The name of my company is VCare India, and we have three verticals, out of which two are already up and running. One being the sanitization service that we started all over Mumbai, Lonavala, Pune. The second being we are manufacturing a high efficiency fogger which can basically sanitize larger indoor spaces very quickly and efficiently. The third, which we are working on, is machines which we are manufacturing, as in we are making in-house. We'll be giving out these machines on a rental basis. Being from the event space and always having to think very quickly and out of the box, we had two things which we could come up with. One was being into the virtual event space, which we are already into, and second was starting a sanitization business, but with a difference. So we have basically started a sanitization service where we're doing a dry aerosol fogging, micro mist fogging, where we create a mist into a indoor space without spoiling any surfaces. We use a chemical which is a food grade chemical, which is odorless, chlorine free, non-carcinogenic, and kids friendly. As of now, we've got more than 700 clients in Mumbai and in Lonavala, in and around Mumbai, and we are servicing them, and we've got a very good response from them. We are providing a dry aerosol fogging, micro fogging, where it does not wet any flooring and does not spoil furnitures, your upholstery, your carpeting, your marble, your Italian marble. The service which is provided by the BMC, they are using sodium hypochlorite, which is a bleach which actually spoils the flooring, plus they use sprayers which actually are used for pesticides and for pest controls. So in this situation, being the virus size being really small, as in microns, you need particular and specialized fogging machines to execute this, and we are doing that. So there's a huge difference. So we are using a chemical which is firstly a food grade chemical, so you can use it in the kitchen. This is odorless, so it does not bother anybody, people with allergies or any kind of smell issues. It is non-alcoholic, so there are no chances of any. It's non-flammable, kids friendly. It is chlorine free, so it does not bother your eyes, it does not irritate your eyes. It is bleach free. It is non-carcinogenic. It is non-corrosive, so it does not spoil surfaces like your wooden flooring, your granite, your marble. And post our service, since it's dry aerosol fogging, it does not leave the entire place wet where you have to mop the place again. It leaves the place the way it is and gives you 99% sanitization, 6 log reduction, which is close to 99% reduction in the microbial space. The service. We typically recommend using a service twice. If somebody turns positive in your house and is being shifted to a facility or is being quarantined into a room, we recommend that you sanitize the entire home. When the person is in that particular room, you sanitize the entire house, because there are maximum touch points, so the entire house needs to be sanitized then for the first time. And after the person finishes 14 days of the quarantine period, we recommend doing the entire house, sanitizing the entire house. Once you sanitize the entire house, the process normally for 1,000 to 1,500 square feet takes around 45 minutes to an hour. And in 25 minutes after the fogging is done, the place is ready to be used, after which you can actually pull out whatever you need to pull out of the room and put it for washing and do your regular thing. But the rooms are accessible in 25 minutes post fogging. So efficacy, talking about efficacy, once you've done the sanitization service, our effect lasts for close to 24 to 36 hours. We have also done a parallel study with TUV India, with the same chemical, and we have got a 90 to 92% efficacy microbial quickly. It creates an aerosol with droplet size of 5 to 10 microns, which stay suspended in the air for a good 20 to 30 minutes. And firstly, they neutralize the air if there are any viruses in the air. After that, the aerosol settles down on all surfaces. When it settles on all surfaces, it basically creates a layer, and wherever there may be an infection, wherever there may be a virus, it neutralizes the virus then and there. So the effect is close to 99 to 100%, and it really works. We have close to 700 odd clients in Mumbai itself, and we can say that we have 700 satisfied clients. We have a huge list of doctors that we service. We are servicing hospitals, clinics, offices.